Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to play Roblox in full screen mode while hiding your taskbar and top navigation on your PC guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. While playing the Microsoft Store or web version of Roblox on your PC, you will have the option to full screen mode using your in-game settings guys. For that open up game, you just need to press in keyboard escape key and click on settings. You just need to scroll down. Full screen, you just need to turn it on guys. You can turn it on or off, that's up to your choice. If you see that taskbar is still visible when changing full screen mode, to fix this problem you just need to press in keyboard shift plus F11 in keyboard guys. Press in keyboard to enter full screen mode and disable full screen mode. Press in keyboard shift plus F11. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.